It was really interesting. It was a bit shocking as well because I didn't know a lot of things about internet safety, but now I do. And sometimes you don't actually know the details and how to report abuse.
I didn't know about like internet safety and things and how people can see what I've been doing and stuff like that. So I'll make sure to put on those privacy settings.
I find it really interesting, and it's good to know that they're going to primary schools now because lots of the younger kids don't know, even though because younger kids are getting involved now in social media, so it's good for them to learn as well.
There's new social networks every day, you never know what's new and keep checking them.
I thought it was amazing, and I think the best way to tackle online abuse, etc., is to inform people and raise awareness of it.
Okay, well, thanks very much for allowing me to come along today. Really enjoyed it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks. Bye-bye.